Ever felt like you're standing outside a candy store, nose pressed against the glass, seeing all those delicious online business opportunities, but just not knowing how to get inside? You see people talking about dropshipping, e-commerce, finding the perfect suppliers, and you think, where do they even start? More importantly, how much is this going to cost me? Let's be real, the online business world can feel like a maze. You hear about platforms like SaleHoo, promising to be your golden ticket, your shortcut to finding verified suppliers and profitable products. But before you dive in, the big question looms. How much is SaleHoo really going to set you back? Is it worth the investment? Is it just another subscription trap? We've all been there, right? You see those shiny promises of instant success, but you're wary. You're thinking, is this legit? Am I throwing my money away? Especially when it comes to tools and platforms that claim to streamline your online business journey. It's a valid concern. Because let's face it, starting an online business is already a bit of a gamble. You're putting in time, effort, and potentially your own capital. You don't want to add unnecessary expenses to the mix. So, today we're going to break down the mystery of SaleHoo's pricing. We're going to peel back the layers and see exactly what you're paying for. We're going to look at the different plans, the features they offer, and most importantly, whether it's a worthwhile investment for you. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is SaleHoo? For those who are new to the online business world, SaleHoo is essentially a directory of verified dropshipping and wholesale suppliers. It's designed to help you find legitimate suppliers for your online store, avoiding the pitfalls of scams and unreliable vendors. They also offer market research tools and training resources to help you identify profitable niches and products. Think of it as a curated database, a shortcut to finding the right partners for your business. Instead of spending countless hours scouring the internet, vetting suppliers, and risking dealing with shady operators, SaleHoo aims to provide you with a trusted and reliable resource. But here's the thing. Access to this curated database comes at a cost. And that's exactly what we're here to explore today. So how much is SaleHoo? Currently, SaleHoo offers two primary pricing structures: an annual membership and a lifetime membership. The annual membership is typically priced around $67 per year. The lifetime membership, as the name suggests, gives you unlimited access to SaleHoo for a one-time fee, and this is usually around $127. Now, let's break down what you get for these prices. With either membership, you gain access to SaleHoo's supplier directory, which includes thousands of verified dropshippers and wholesalers. This directory allows you to search for suppliers based on product category, location, and minimum order quantity. You can also view supplier profiles, contact information, and product catalogs. In addition to the supplier directory, SaleHoo provides market research tools. These tools help you identify trending products and profitable niches. You can analyze sales data, competition levels, and potential profit margins. This can be invaluable for anyone looking to launch a new online store or expand their existing product line. SaleHoo also offers training resources, including guides, videos, and articles, covering various aspects of dropshipping and e-commerce. These resources can be helpful for beginners who are just starting out and need to learn the basics of online business. Now, let's talk about the key difference between the annual and lifetime memberships. The annual membership provides access to all of SaleHoo's features for 1 year. After that, you'll need to renew your subscription to continue using the platform. The lifetime membership, on the other hand, gives you unlimited access to SaleHoo for a one-time fee. This means you won't have to worry about recurring subscription costs. So, which option is right for you? It depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, the annual membership might be a good option. It allows you to try out SaleHoo's features without committing to a long-term subscription. You can see if the platform meets your needs and if it's a good fit for your business. However, if you're serious about building a long-term online business, the lifetime membership might be a better investment. While the upfront cost is higher, it eliminates the need for recurring subscription fees. Over time, the lifetime membership can save you a significant amount of money. Now, let's address some common concerns about SaleHoo's pricing. Some people might argue that $67 per year or $127 for a lifetime membership is too expensive. However, it's important to consider the value that SaleHoo provides. Imagine the time and effort you would save by not having to manually vet suppliers. Think about the potential losses you could avoid by dealing with verified and reputable vendors. Consider the market research tools that can help you identify profitable products and niches. When you factor in these benefits, SaleHoo's pricing becomes more reasonable. It's an investment in your business, a tool that can help you streamline your operations and increase your chances of success. Of course, SaleHoo isn't a magic bullet. It won't guarantee instant success. You still need to put in the work, develop a solid business plan, and market your products effectively. But SaleHoo can provide you with the resources and support you need to get started on the right foot. Another point to consider is the potential return on investment. If SaleHoo helps you find a reliable supplier and launch a successful online store, the cost of the membership will quickly be recouped. Think of it this way. If you're selling products with a decent profit margin, even a few successful sales can cover the cost of your SaleHoo membership. Now, let's talk about the alternatives. Are there other platforms that offer similar services? Yes, there are. However, it's important to compare the features and pricing of different platforms before making a decision. Some platforms might offer lower prices, but they might also have a smaller supplier directory or fewer market research tools. Others might offer more features, but they might also come with a higher price tag. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. It's important to do your research, compare your options, and choose the platform that best fits your business goals. And remember, SaleHoo often has sales and promotions. It's worth keeping an eye on their website or signing up for their email newsletter to stay informed about any potential discounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.